guys, today we are going to discuss the object-oriented programming in C++. First of all, let's see what is object-oriented programming. So it is a programming style that is associated with the concept of class, objects and various other concepts which involving around these. These two likes inheritance and the polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, all included in object-oriented programming. So let us try to understand a little bit about these through a simple example. So human beings are living forms. So broadly categorized into two types, males and females. Right? Is true. Now every human being, male or female, has two legs, two hands, two eyes or nose and one heart, etc. So these are the body parts that are the common for the male and female. But then there are some specific body parts present in male which are not present in female, and there are some body parts present in female but not in male. So all human beings walk, eat, see, talk, hear, etc. So now again, both males and females perform some common functions, but these are some specific to both, so which is not valid for the others. Like a female can give birth, so male cannot. So this is the only for the female. Human anatomy is interesting, isn't it? Now, but let's see how all this is related to C++ and OOPS, which we are studying today. So here we will try to explain all the OOPS concept through this example, and later we will try the technical definitions for all this. So first of all, let's see what is class. Here we can take human being as an example. So a class is the blueprint for any functional entity which defines properties and its functions. So like human beings having body parts, and they perform the various actions which are associated with class. So these all are activities known as class. Now let's discuss about the inheritance. So considering a human beings a class which have the property like hand, legs, eyes, etc., and functions like walk, they talk, they can eat, they can see, etc. So male and females are also the classes, but most of the properties and the functions are included in human being. Hence, they can inherit everything from class human beings using the concept of inheritance. Now let's discuss about the objects. For example, my name is ABC and I am the instance or the object of the class male. So when we say human being, male or female, we just mean a kind, you, your friend, me. We just are the form of these classes. So we have the physical existence while a class is a logical definition. So we are the objects. Now what is abstraction? Abstractions means it's showcasing only the required things to the outside world while hiding the details. So continuing our example, let's talk about human being which can walk, hear, eat, or but the details are the hidden from the outside of the world, as we all know. So we can take our skin as the abstraction factor. In our case, hiding the inside mechanism. So none of the outside person or no other person will know about our skin. We only know about like me. My name is, I think my name is let's see, ABC. So I only know about my skin. None other person know about it. So next we have the concept of encapsulation. So it is a little tricky to explain. So encapsulation, like its name shows, it's encapsulate. It encapsulate all the things. So we let's, it's a tricky to explain, so let's try to discuss it. Our legs are bandy to help us to walk, like we all know. So our hands help us to hold the things, we all know that. So this binding of the properties is the function is called, it's known as encapsulation, and it's encapsulate the two or more things. Next we have the polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept which allows us to redefine the way something works by either changing how it's done or by changing the parts using which it is done. So both the ways have different terms for them. So if we walk using our hands and not our legs, here we will change the parts using to perform something. So hence this is known as overloading. If we walk using our hands, not with our legs, here we will change the parts using to perform something. So hence this is called the overloading. And if there is a defined way of walking but I wish to walk differently, like using my legs like everyone else. Then I can walk like I want. So this is called the overriding. That's for it today. Thank you.